Hi everyone. Yeah, so I'm just fixing me kind of like a breakfast taco right about now. Got some come on. The holy guacamole smashed avocado with sea salt right here. Oh, that right there is the Boursin is the Boursin cheese bites, the garlic and herb. That's good stuff. The egg mixture, Mom actually got for me, fixed that for me for my breakfast the other day on her day off. Yep, just fine. And also I'm gonna finish it off with this Chipotle creamy sauce from Taco Bell, because that's good stuff. Alright, here we go. I appreciate all of you liking and viewing the last food video that I did. So yeah, I got another one for you guys here, and honestly, this looks very good. Gonna have me a bite right now. Very good. So yeah, that was the video of my breakfast for my day off today. Hope you all enjoyed it, and more videos like this and other new videos of unboxing stuff coming real soon. Hope you all have a good day. Okay, bye.